I am the concrete mixer, and I will complete the task of mixing concrete. Let's concrete the bridge deck.
I'm the road roller. Let's compact the road to make it level. Use a marking machine to draw neat white lines on the bridge deck. Once the concrete is air-dried and solidified, pour white paint into the marking machine. Truck team, the bridge you have built is so amazing. Thank you very much.